Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am with my mom.
Hello, YouTubers.
YouTubers. Hello. Alright, well we just got finished watching a video from Virginia that I just uploaded. So check it out. It's amazing.
So nice.
The lanterns.
Of our road trip. Just gorgeous.
Gorgeous. So we are, this is like the next day, I guess. I don't know how I do this, but we are now moving my huge wardrobe in here, and I still didn't find my stand, which sucks. So I found my old one, so that's what's on now. But yeah, so we have to put that in this space. So we're just gonna get started. So I don't even think Jonathan realized. My muscle man.
Carol, do you have enough? I had one more of these things.
Hey honey, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so now is the time for the reveal of what's inside of this wardrobe that we're gonna convert. Oh my gosh, this is brilliant. Mom, we're gonna use this. Oh, we have that anchor thing. And you see how I mean? Like, you could still hold them, like, maybe under here. Like, it's so huge.
Would you want to leave the shelf, or you're not hanging anything long, or you need
No, we're
that
hanging.
high?
Yeah, we need to take this and leave this. But take that out. You feel me?
You'd have, we can measure. You can put it wherever you like.
No, leave this.
In with square hex screws.
Bro, someone handmade this. Look at Mom.
And did an amazing
job. So look, you can see we just opened it up. We used hammers and screwdrivers and everything. This is crazy. Breaking off nails because we are not moving this thing back.
All right, I have the Sawzall. I'll cut the nails off.
Okay.
Because I don't want to split that.
So I'm gonna clean that up.
Really well made.
Okay. Handmade. Like this wood, look how thick this is. Sorry, Mom. You getting the Sawzall?
Oh, that can make some of your farm shelves. Or my table saw.
It's nuts. Or this could go in my bathroom, Mom. Or no, it has a hole. Oh, but maybe this one. Now I'm thinking about reclaiming it and figuring out what to do with it. You see how deep it is?
Oh my God, do we live right over?
Yeah, it's perfect for a hanger.
Beautiful.
Yeah. This is massive. We just put in the drawers on the bottom. And now we're about to hang the pole. And I have to run to Home Goods to get a basket here. So this is what it's looking like right now. Oh, I'm like that. And I'm hungry. I'm not hungry. I should actually make something right now. Let's do that. Oh, and look, I ordered new like batteries and stuff for my camera, so I'm excited about that. With the new memory card. My dining room is looking crazy. Mommy is making pizza. Alright, new batteries in. We just ate pizza. I don't know why I'm singing. I'm gonna hang this mirror. Hello. That mirror. We're gonna hang them right there. So we just measured. And now, let's put it up. Ooh, this battery's dying.
Pretty, Kelly.
We could just sit
Like
here all day.
all it needs is polish. It doesn't need.
And even then, it's still
nothing.
shiny.
No, but you want to restore the wood, and that's a good way. We're going to sleep after all of this. This was some hard work.
We did so
No, we're gonna
much.
get the closet pole. Come on.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to your house now.
Good thing I'm right around the corner.
Yes. I'll drive. Woo!
We didn't forget about you. We just got tired. We ended up taking the lock off of the ship alone.
We are home.
Someone's still on the TV.
Surprise!
So bad. It's the best surprise ever. They're always complaining about my little TV.
I don't know.
Well,
That's not a TV, Mom.
did you see that TV?
That's a monitor, right?
Yes.
Computer monitor.
It's a
That's what
computer
they-
monitor.
That's what
That's what she's watching TV off of.
Love you, Mom. You're never gonna get out of bed.
So we surprised, well, I say we, but it was really like my sister who did it, but like I somehow helped in a way. But my mom's been watching these freaking planes. My mom's been watching TV on this little 19-inch monitor like this for the past like forever, that it was time that she got a 55-inch TV in her bedroom. So we surprised her with that.
I was so surprised.
And
Oh my
she's
God.
flipping out, freaking out, which was so cute. And we had to come home. Couldn't come when it was finished because we had to get a piece of wood for my house. So we had to like come when they were like in the middle of it. And plus my mom was saying how she wanted a cup of coffee. So as you see, I'm holding this. I got my mom this mug. This is her nickname, Susabug. And then my dad's nickname is Lok Lok. So it's on a Yeti cup, of course. You know how I talk about my Yetis. And this coffee is so good that I just ordered my own coffee maker because I need to make coffee like this. It's the bomb. Yeah, we're getting wood now to finish everything. I feel like I'm always in this backyard, but this is where, you know, we live here. We just got back to my house. My mom was so shocked. It was so good.
So surprised.
So good. So now,
Give me a heart attack.
no! So now we are cutting this, and I live near the airport, so I'm sorry about the airplanes that are always around. You could always hear that noise. So we just took,
That's this?
yeah,
It looks so little.
it's from here to here. So I took this. This is one of the shelves that was inside of the wardrobe, and I just, look, oh, she's gonna go. Wow, that was quick, Mom.
See?
All right, now let's make sure that that's the right size. Let's measure it inside. Right?
What? It could have been longer.
Okay, well,
But
sorry.
it's fine.
That's good. I like it like that. And we are using what kind of wood?
Pine.
Pine wood. So that was perfect. Now we are using, cutting another one.
See the breeze?
Yes, Daddy's here. He is here, always here. We're done. That was so quick.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Then I just soften the edges a little.
Okay. DIY little trick, tips and tricks.
Yeah, it takes the little burrs off, making this.
Don't you guys, hold on, look at my mom's glasses. These are the cutest glasses ever.
Not in my face, Kelly.
I'm sorry, but
Get out
it's
of
so
my
cute.
Thank you.
Like so stylish. Jenny, you'd be proud. Wait, we should them now. Okay. I know I keep walking back and forth, but it's kind of like this is what I'm doing. We had to pre-drill these holes so that we could put the nail straight through. So we're putting this up for the wood planks so that we could screw in these little guys. Where are they? Where are they? These things. So this you get at Home Depot. And oh my god, my camera is dusty. That way you can put the bar that we have to cut to, And put it up there.
Oh, I think I need the heavy duty drill.
Okay. Okay, so while we are doing this, right, we're putting the nails inside those holes that I just pre-drilled. Do you see that? Woo! I am gonna stain that piece eventually, probably not in today's video. You wanna make sure that your nail, the screw that you choose, let me show you here, screw that you choose does not come through on the other side. So you have to look at how many inches you need. So we have like a 1 inch over here, 3/4 of an inch. I hope I'm saying that right. And then 1.5 inches or something like that. So we have different sizes. Now ours, it came through just a tad bit on this side. So what my mom recommends, little Susie Banks, she recommends that you put a washer to give it that extra little space so that it does not come out from the other side. That's what that washer looks like. My mom has her own channel if you want to check it out. The link's down below. My mom does not have her own channel, but she literally needs one. And I'll edit all her videos. Perfect, Mom. Oh yes, you can feel it.
Oh, it's just what it needed.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly.
Perfect.
Right now I'm being very ghetto with the tape to hold this back because it keeps, I gotta figure this out. I'm also gonna get new knobs. So like you see these knobs, this is what they came with. Those are the knobs and we're gonna change those out. That's gonna be really, really cute. Gotta figure out if I want like a little pattern. I think something that's gonna, can you see this? Hold on. I know it looks crazy, but that little bucket right there, something with like that kind of cute pattern. Gotta find something perfect. Oh, you could talk too.
You're doing a great job, Kelly. I'm so proud of you. Back it out and drill it back in.
No, it's in there.
Back it out. Maybe there's a nail behind it.
Go. So now we're hanging these guys in, and you have to make sure that when you're doing it, we centered ours.
42 1/4?
Yeah. We're gonna cut this pole now with that guy. Make sure that you have the correct blade.
Jigsaw with a metal blade.
Yes. And now this is gonna look so good. Hopefully it's straight. No gangsta lean. Oh my gosh. And I can't wait to stain that and that. What do you think?
This thing is so deep, you could have probably even put 2 poles. You could have probably had one this way. No?
No.
Alright, never mind.
Because look.
I know what I'm talking about.
Look, put that in there. Yes. Your shirt. Looks good, right?
Yep.
You don't seem excited.
I'm excited.
Okay, thank you. Mom! I put the pole in.
Did it fit?
It fit.
Perfect.
Wow. Like it, right?
You win.
I win! I didn't even get to close out today's video, so I just want to thank you if you watched the entire thing. I have no idea how I'm even editing this joint. But if you want to watch the entire video, thank you so much. Love you. See you in the next video. Good night. I'm tired.
Hello, Ms. Rooster, Kelly Rooster.